So I'm going to show you here where you can find all these things and then how to adjust them to your tailored missions. So what you want to do is click basically in that way. It's in the top right hand corner where the three dots are. So here, what you'll find, that top menu, you've got a whole list of icons on the right hand side, and we'll go through each one and then what's in each of these icons. So basically, our first one, which has obviously a quadcopter drone, is your flight settings. And this is where you go through and you can check and adjust your flight settings before each flight or during the flight. So you'll see here where it clicks in flight settings and then also on control. So that's the first one within the flight settings. Now, if we go all the way up to the top, what you can do is you can adjust your home point in the control section of the flight settings. So you can either set it as the first icon there, and it will tell you in a minute.
Aircraft location set as home point.
There you are. So the aircraft location is set as your home point. Now, I personally would never use this because if I'm flying over a tree or something or a river, I don't want the aircraft to go back and land on top of that tree or that river. So I don't really know why they've got it there. Maybe it's in case you're flying a long distance and you know that there's an area where you can land. The next one is the one next door, which is what really everyone will use, which is, when I click it,
Remote controller location set as home point.
so this is where I am now.
Home point updated.
So
Click there
originally,
to confirm.
thank you very much. So originally the home point was where I took off from, but now the home point is now here where I am. And this is particularly useful if, for instance, you're following your aircraft on a mapping mission because it's going away more than 500 meters or something, and you want the home point to always update where you are when you're following the aircraft.